name game, so we're having extra fun with it today by using artist names as the names that we call out. This time round, Jenny and Morris. Let's see who's made line 1 light up here. Hello, Gold 104.3. What is your name?
My name's Jenny.
Jenny, congratulations. You just got yourself one step closer to $20,000.
Oh, fantastic. That's very exciting.
Do you know what you'd do with it, Jenny, if you won the money?
I'd buy a puppy. I'd love to get a puppy.
Oh, what kind?
And they're so expensive. A Cocker Spaniel.
Beautiful. But if someone's trying to charge you 20 grand for one, they're ripping you off blind, Jenny, okay? Don't spend it all on the puppy. Save some...
The fuck, man?